Hello everyone, welcome to Sukhumvit Swimming King of Ladder. And this game is a snake and ladder and a little bit fighting game. Hello, I'm Sukhumvit Brunatiwet or Code. Today I will show you about the mechanic game design and conceptual game design. Okay, first, the rule of this game. The player can roll a dice to walk on the block. And the block has the 1 to 100. Okay, and next, you can collect and buy the item. And the player who arrives the finish line of the block 100 first will win to be a king. Okay, next, you should keep this thing in the inventory slot. First, pumpkin. Second, cross, coin, spike, and heart. Okay, next. The character has a backpack, and the backpack, it can contain up to 30 kilograms, and it can only keep the items for 3 slots. They can keep everything except the coins, because the coins has been kept in their player. Okay, and after that, let's look at the detail of each item. But before we will look at it, I will tell you something. The coin, you can pass each block to collect the coins. But the item, you can only stop when you roll the dice. Example, you got 6, you should walk 6 and stop at 6. And if the item is on the block 6, you can stop and get that item. Okay, first item, the pumpkin. The pumpkin has weight 5 kilograms. And the ability of the pumpkin is it can make the multiple 2 of the dice value. Such as when you use the pumpkin and you roll the dice and it got 3. In this turn, you can walk 6 blocks because it's a 3 multiple 2. And this item you can collect by walking on the block, and you can buy it at the item store. And the price at the item store is 5 coins. The cross has weight 1 kilograms. And the ability of the cross is this player can stop the opponent walking for 1 turn. But this item can buy only at the item store. You cannot find it on the block, okay? And the price at the item store is 10 coins. Next, the coin. The coin has weight 2 kilograms. And the ability is the basic ability. The basic ability of this is it can be collected to buy the item at the item shop. Next, the spike. The spike is the other item that make the opponent get pain. And the spike has weight 2 kilograms. And the ability of the spike is it can cut the opponent's coin for 10 coins. And the opponent needs to go backward for 3 blocks. But this item can buy only at the item store. And the price at the item store is 10 coins. And the last one, the heart. The heart has weight 10 kilograms. And the ability of the heart is it can protect the player from every obstacle from the opponent. And the price at the item store is 20 coins. And this is the biggest prize in the world, which is the chest of the king. The chest of the king has weight 100 kilograms. And when you arrive at the finish line on the block number 100, you will win this game to be a king and get the chest. But one question, when 2 players are on the same block, how could it be? Both players should spend or bet for 5 to 20 coins based on the level of the block to fight. And this is the fighting game too, like this. And after the fight, if the player win the fight, this player can take all the betting coins. But if the player lost the fight, the player should go down to the lower level of the block There is the slope like the snake to go down to the lower platform. Okay, and next, let's see the example of this game. This is the example of this game. Okay, start the game. And this game is the turn-based game. First, you should roll the dice and walk following the number that you get. If I got 6, I will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and stop here, like this. And okay, I will go ahead. And there are the ladder to climb up. And okay, go ahead. And this is the pumpkin. The pumpkin, you can get the multiple value of the dice when you use the pumpkin. And this is the slope that after you lose the fight, you will go down. I will show you. Okay. And there are this item store that you can buy item here. Okay, and go ahead. After 2 players go on the same block and fight, and if I lose the fight, I will go down here, following the slope, like this. And this is the heart that you can protect from everything. That is the obstacle from the opponent. And okay, go ahead. And this is the spike. For the example, if you buy the spike from the item store, and you can put it down like this when you stop at some block. And this is the other one that cannot find when you walk on the block. You can only buy at the store, like a spike 2. And this is a cross that you can stop the opponent for 1 turn. Okay, and next. And as you can see the green slope and red slope. And what is it? The green slope is the ordinary slope that after you fight and you lose, you go down. But the red slope is when you stop at the block that has the red slope, you will go down to the lower block automatically. Okay, I will show you. When I walk here and I got 99 block 99, and I stop at block 99, and there is the red slope, you should go down automatically, like this. Okay, and this is the price and king. You will be the king if you go here at the block 100. You will be a king. And that's all for the mechanic game design and conceptual game design of the Sukhumvit swimming, the king of ladder. Okay, thank you for watching.